Hi, with over a decade of experience as an administrative assistant supporting US and Australian companies, including Southwest Florida, Capital One, DirecTV, Pandora, and several e commerce businesses, I've developed a strong foundation in customer service, operations, and property coordination. Hi, my name is Jane. I'm known for being a fast learner, an excellent communicator, and someone who thrives in dynamic guest facing roles. One of the highlights of my career was managing two luxury short stay rental properties in Australia. I handled all aspects of day to day operations, scheduling, cleaning, and maintenance, coordinating with workers and vendors, and sourcing top rated local providers for repairs or restoration. I ensured that every recommendation I made was based on thorough research, aligned with the owner's expectations, and supported by feedback from on site staff. A memorable moment that reflects my approach to service was when a guest sent a long, detailed email outlining several issues in the property, including dust on the cupboards, in cracked tiles, while my boss assumed that the guest was simply trying to ask for a discount. I responded with complete professionalism and empathy. I acknowledged the guest's keen observations and made sure to thank him for bringing those to our attention. I then relayed each concerns to our on-site staff with clear instructions and followed up to confirm everything that had been addressed. Despite the guests' initial dissatisfaction, my calm, thoughtful communication turned the situation around and ended in a surprising five-star review. Beyond guest resolutions, I also manage reservations, billing, follow ups, and customer communications through platforms like Airbnb, Booking.com, and smart home applications. I was the first point of contact before and during, and also after each day. I even handled product sourcings through Amazon, Google, and Facebook Marketplace when needed, and maintained our company's social media accounts. This blend of hospitality, operational, oversight, and problem solving makes me confident I be a strong asset to your team. I take pride in turning challenging challenges into opportunities to build trust and deliver exceptional guest experiences. So, again, my name is Jane. Please let me know if you may need any information from me. Hoping to be talking to you soon. Bye bye.